by the end of this video, you know how to successfully connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5, and by the end of this video again, you also learn how to trade on Exness platform. So let's go straight to today's video. So let's go to our broker, which is Exness. So let's create a real sub account real quick. So click on plus. Let me bring out this thing so that we can be on the same page. When you click on plus, you click on standard. There are different type of option. I get in it. So we're going to create a standard account. Let's use MetaTrader 5. Is more beginner friendly. Let's name this account story account. So yeah, let our password should be we've created a real account. So let's now link it, like let's merge it to MetaTrader 5 real quick. So what you have to do, guys, same thing applies to Android. What you have to do is just click on this three hamburger button here at the right hand side, then you click it, you change it to setting, so you see the full details on you needed to log into MetaTrader 5. So let's copy our login, then let's go to MetaTrader 5. So on here real quick, you click on the setting from your MetaTrader 5 on Android or iPhone. You click on the setting, you find the plus icon on your Android, but on Android it seems to be on the right left hand side. You swipe it like this, you see account, then you click on plus. So when you click on plus, you search for Exness Technology Limited. See guys, Exness is available in more than 160 countries. So you will see different type of what is it called? Let me check the name. You see different type of server or country listing. So what we Africa, especially Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa do use is Exness Technology Limited. People that live in UK that use Exness UK Limited, but we that were in Africa, we use Exness Technology Limited. So for the server, we'll just come here. You can see the server is Exness MT5 free. Now don't go and connect it to another server. So you will see a lot of server here. So we'll just look for Exness MT5 real. Now you can see we've put it there. Then we'll paste the login we copied earlier. Then after we paste the login, we put in the password. So the password we used earlier was LARA4 for you at. You can see automatically we've made our account to MetaTrader 5 successfully. Quick one, if you are here to create Exness account, don't miss out on this exclusive bonus. I'm a partner to Exness. Exness treat referred based account to well more than normal account. So if you are here to create your Exness account, use the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment section, because you'll be getting some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to lose. So go to the description of this video or pinned comment section and create your account real quick. So now you can see the pairs on our code, like symbols pairs on our code. You can add gold. If you want to add gold, you can delete everything, just highlight it and delete every damn thing here and make it plain, and add your favorite pair. For you to add your favorite pair, you just come here and search for, or you easiest thing, you search for Forex and you put it in Forex indicator. You see a lot of pairs, but let's just do XUSD, which is one of the most popular pair, which is good versus US dollar. Let's add Euro USD to one of the most popular pair in the history. So yeah, you can see we've successfully added XUSD and Euro USD. Now any trade you place automatically on MetaTrader 5, when you make profit, you'll see it in your Exness account. I get it. When you make loss, you still see it in your Exness account. Like, cannot trade like a professional, now make money real quick. If you want easiest way to get premium signal for free, like the win rate is up to 85%, because this channel is created to help everyone, because the community is created to help everyone to grow. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, and I pray we all succeed in this trading journey. So please don't give up. So I created a Telegram channel. I'll be dropping premium signal all for free. Like, the group is going to be live, so don't miss out on the group. Join now. Check the description and the pinned comment section. Join the group. Fine, when we hit 500 members, I'll start dropping signal, and use your demo account to back test, to test the win rate of the signal before you start trading live. That is the best advice I will give you guys. So check the description of this video. Make sure you like this video. This video was helpful, and if you have any questions, see guys, feel free to ask any question. I'm ready to answer you any day, anytime. Make sure you guys stay safe. See you in the next video. And if you want a video explaining how to trade on Exness platform instead of you trading on MT5 and Exness, you can use one Exness platform to do your depositing, withdrawing, and trading and making profit. So guys, bye for now. See you guys on the next video.